Okay, so there's been a couple of new additions to the van. One being the sunroof. Found it on Marketplace for 80 bucks. And it's got the bottom piece here. But the beauty of this one, it's identically the same to the one I got up there. What were the odds of finding that? So this one here does not open, and it possibly leaks. So that one's coming out. And this one is going right in its place. Exact same one. Oh, so happy about that. Very rare situation to find. And also, something else new that came in. First of all, we got these new lights here. Bunch of these new lights. Blue ones. So I'll be putting them in. They'll probably be going on that piece that I put across the top there. And yeah. Got some pillows. I got two more white ones. I gotta put the furry stuff over them. Set them up. But I also got, see all this wiring? That's from the old stereo. So I picked up actually another stereo, which is exactly the same stereo that's in my Jeep. Which I love that stereo in that Jeep. So now I got the same one for the vans. Perfect. So that's good. So definitely that means I'll be hooking up, putting some speakers in here, some amps, getting that all set up. It's one of the next projects. And yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Definitely coming around. I picked up a whole bunch of lights off of Temu and whatever that other one is, AliExpress or something like that. You can see these ones here. And these ones I'll be putting inside the door. So when you open the door, these will light up for your foot area. And on the driver's side, I'll put one. Yep, ready to go. Got some funky lights here. We'll see. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing with them all yet, but definitely going to have this van with a bunch of lights in it for sure. I gotta still put that speaker in there. I gotta get some black paint for here. Okay. I will be back. Let's go. Let's go inside. Come on. Ready? Let's go. Good boy. Look at this. Come on, let's go. Let's go inside. This way, this way. Come on. Okay, my new indicators, signal indicators. Right there. In there. So, boom, and boom. Blue indicators, I love it. So that's that. Complete. I put the stereo there. It's hooked up, but it's just there for testing purposes. Now I got to mount it inside the face here of the overhead console. But it's working. That's the new stereo I got. Working good. It's working good. Good. I could start eliminating some of these wires that are hanging here. Don't need them. And on to the next little job. We'll see what that is very soon. But yeah, love those lights there. I got these switches here, which I don't have them hooked up to anything yet, but they'll be for like the outside lights. So, yeah. Oh, plus I got the windshield wipers. Just need to get some new blades. And I'm gonna clean them, paint them properly, and that's about it. I'll have to move this guy over a little bit. He looks mad because that wiper's in the way. Alright, we'll see. Right, boy? Yes. It's supposed to rain again, damn it, so I can't really mess with the sunroof right now. It's supposed to rain for the next 2-3 days in a row, for crying out loud. So I'll be doing some interior work though, getting these speakers mounted. Now that I got the nice deck in here, Kenwood, good quality. Yeah, I'll probably get that mounted in here properly inside the. See, that's where it's going. That's the overhead console right there. So, but yeah, that's it. We'll be back.